morning, Bears. I'm Karina. Today is Friday, April 4th, and welcome to your BTV announcements. Today is also Show Your Passion Friday. Hope you dress to show something you love. Also, today's fact of the day is that individuals on the autism spectrum may be very creative and have a passion and talent for music, theater, art, and dance. Ready to Go Bears and Lady Bears track teams on capturing the District 28 6A Meet Champions titles with multiple first-place finishes. One of the meet highlights was the Bears 4x200 relay team setting another school and meet record of 1 minute 26.5 seconds. The 4x100 and 4x400 meter relay teams also finished first. Kaitlyn Bride took the long jump at 22 feet and 6 inches, a personal record. Wolfgang Thorner took the 800 meter, while Sacramento captured first in the 1600 and 3200 meter runs. Quentin Jones cleared 13 feet and 6 inches for first place in pole vault. Kayla Lyons continued to dominate in the 400 meter and 800 meter runs, while Kaylin Brunson took the 1600 meter and 3200 meter runs. The Lady Bears 4x400 relay team also took first place, and Gianna Brown threw a discus 102 feet and 11 inches to take first. Next up for our track teams is the area meet next Friday at Gus Stadium. Once more, congrats to senior Kaitlyn Toney, our state champion in bowling. She will now prepare for the National Championship Tournament on June 8th to the 9th in Fort Wayne, Indiana. BFND Kaitlyn, and bring home that national championship. Let's wish our varsity tennis team luck at the Bernie Champion Invitational Tournament today. Our Bears baseball team lost 2-1 to Holmes this past Tuesday, and they look to avenge the loss today at 7:30 p.m. at Northside Field 1. BFND Bears. Also, lots of luck to our Lady Bears softball team as they face Marshall today at 5 p.m. at Northside Field 2. The FashionABLE Show is tomorrow in the Brennan Auditorium at 1 p.m. FashionABLE gives individuals with disabilities the opportunity to shine on the runway, proving that fashion is for everyone. Come to this event. PTSA's BEARable Monday is back, and this Monday, members can celebrate with paletas. This is a token of appreciation for your support and dedication. During the lunch periods, PTSA needs volunteers to help distribute paletas and share in the spirit of gratitude. Seniors, be sure to get the Morp app for prom superlatives. It'll be the only device used for voting. Scan this QR code to download the app or go to Brennan HS Class 2025 on Instagram. You can also go to tildeco.com/morp for the app. Teachers, remember to submit your nomination for the Bear Awards by today. Our annual Bear Awards ceremony is scheduled on Wednesday, April 30th at 6:30 p.m. Here's a shout out to our Golden Stars Varsity dance team for their 4th national championship in the past 4 years, a true 4P. At the Marching Auxiliaries competition in Arlington, they earned team awards in National Champion Hip Hop, Open, Jazz, Novelty, Lyrical, and Medium Select Team, and are jacket winners. Officer awards include National Champion in Jazz, Lyrical, Contemporary, and Medium Select Officer line. Congrats, Golden Stars. Finally, chefs Toney and Mark Weaver invite teachers to place orders with the Brennan Café for individual pizza today through next Friday, and Wednesday, April 16th to Friday, April 18th. You can order a pizza meal that includes a house salad and a tea for a sit-down lunch in the dining room. A menu with details was emailed. This is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X and also on YouTube at BTV Bears. I'm Karina signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in learning, and evolve every day.
This is a BTV production.